monkeys tell their mama, "We're bored. There is nothing to do." House. Monkeys. "Oh, yes, there is," says Mama. "Grandma Bessie is coming for lunch, and the house must be neat and clean." Mama. Window. "So, you can pick up your room." Toys. Room. Room. 5 little monkeys pick up and pick up and pick up until everything is put away. "Good job," says Mama. "But we're bored again," say 5 little monkeys. "There is nothing to do." "Oh, yes, there is," says Mama. "You can scrub the bathroom. The house must be neat and clean for Grandma Bessie." So 5 little monkeys scrub and scrub and scrub. Bathroom. Bathroom. Until the bathroom shines. "Good job," says Mama. "But we're bored again," say 5 little monkeys. "There is nothing to do." "Oh, yes, there is," says Mama. "You can beat the dirt out of these rugs. The house must be neat and clean for Grandma Bessie." 5 little monkeys beat and beat and beat the rugs until there is not a speck of dirt left. Beat. 5 little monkeys. Clothesline. "Good job," says Mama. "But we're bored again," say 5 little monkeys. "There is nothing to do." "Oh, yes, there is," says Mama. "You can pick some berries down by the swamp. Grandma Bessie loves berries for dessert." Berries. 3. They pick and pick and pick berries until Mama calls, "It's time to come home." 5 little monkeys run inside while Mama picks flowers. "Put the berries in the kitchen," calls Mama. "Wash your faces and put on clean clothes." Water. 5 little monkeys wash their faces. Calls Mama. Grandma Bessie. 5 little monkeys race outside. They hug and kiss Grandma Bessie. "We've been busy all day," they say. "We cleaned the house and picked berries just for you." Grandma Bessie. "I love berries," says Grandma Bessie, "and I love a clean house, too." They all go inside. "Oh, my," says Grandma Bessie. "Oh, dear," says Mama. "Mama." "Oh, no," say 5 little monkeys. Who messed up our nice clean house? Bathroom. I can't imagine, says Mama. But whoever did has plenty to do.